Mom. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry I missed you earlier. Yeah, the weather's been crazy here too, absolutely. No, I'm on my way to meet Madison actually. Yes, Mom, I've been watching the news, I know about the kidnappings. I think everyone's on edge. And honestly, I know I could be doing something, I just don't know what or how or even where to get started, you know? Well, I have to go into a parking garage, I'm meeting her buying her car, you know, so I'm gonna get going because I'm gonna lose you in here, but I'll call you later. Okay, bye. Excuse me, sir? My friend was just taken from this garage. She's like my height, red hair. I think it probably just happened. Did you see anything?
No, I'm sorry, I haven't seen anything.
Are you sure? It literally just happened.
No, I'm sorry.
She probably would have been released.
I didn't see anything, I'm sorry.
Hi, excuse me? Hi, sir?
No, I don't know.
Ma'am, can I just ask you a quick question?
Heading north or south?
Hi, sir?
Yes, I did already try the bank.
Hi, sorry, can I just grab you real quick? Hi, can I just grab you real quick?
Excuse me.
Hi, I have a quick question.
Yes, I'm sure it happened today.
Hi, sir? Hi, yes, quick question.
Around what corner?
Hi, yes, sir?
How long ago?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
And they were speeding down the street?
Hey, Chris. Thank you so much for giving me that flyer. I'm really looking forward to getting involved. Did you see that coffee shop on the corner put one of our flyers up in their window? I mean, I don't think any of us expected that to happen. But I guess even they have recognized that no one is coming to help us. It is so encouraging to see how much this community supports each other. So people are making safety plans, and clearly the canvassing is working, but there's gotta be something else we can do.
That's not what I'm saying, okay? Canvassing and doing Know Your Rights training, all of that is incredibly important and is genuinely helping people. But there are other ways to confront this. And direct action is a real strategy. And it works.